Okay, this is one of the bad wheels. You can see the rubber coating on the wheels just worn away. It's getting old, very old. This is a really old vacuum cleaner, but this is a replacement wheel here. You see it's exactly the same. They have some aftermarket brands, but I just went with the Rainbow brand just to make it just so it was exact. So I think what we have here is a couple little catches right here that hold this wheel in place. It just slides like that, comes in here to come out, and I just got to I think I'm just going to put my screwdriver under there and hope that then just try to push this back here like that. This is pretty flimsy plastic, but I can't really push all. There's three of them here. There's one on the edge, one in the middle, and one on this edge. So you kind of have to get them all at the same time, push down. Not much just kind of got to fight with it, I guess. Maybe try to lift this up a little bit. That seemed to help. Just have a little bit of kind of maybe pull up and slide. Try that as well. Pull up, I can kind of get. It seems to be working. Let me get another screwdriver to push back here in the back. There we go. Yeah. There's another clip right here, or a stop, I don't know what you call it. Kind of, I guess it just locks so it doesn't twist. But I put my screwdriver in there and was able to push it. Just like that. Looks like they all kind of have they're all different. So I guess it doesn't matter which way they go. There we go. Much nicer. That thing's a mess. See if we can do that again. Just lift up. There's a screwdriver underneath there. Kind of helps it there. And I put the smaller screwdriver. This one's a little different. So here's the clip right there. So just kind of lift up a little bit, put the screwdriver underneath it. So no pain. that worked out good too. Just push the screwdriver in enough. Just put the screwdriver in enough to push this plastic piece down. And then you can just kind of push the wheel out. See how it wiggles just a little bit in there. Just push this screwdriver in far enough. I guess it kind of pushes all the plastic down. And just force the wheel out. See that? That's it. Works good.